Hi, you're welcome to this video on how to record payments made in school. Now, why this video? Technically, some parents or guardians might choose not to pay the child's school fees online the easy way and just to come to school and pay in cash. So, how do you record these payments made in school in cash on the school tri portal? Now, it's very simple and direct. All you simply need to do is go to your dashboard, and when you get to your dashboard, it's very direct. From the top left corner here, you navigate down and you can see manage reports. You can see payment reports, attendance reports, class grade reports, class performance reports, student grade reports, grade batch reports, payments reports. Click on payment reports, and when you get to payment reports, you're gonna be met with a screen that looks very similar to this one. All you simply need to do is add payments. When you click on add payment at the top right corner here, this is where you impute everything that has been paid. Here, you use the active session, select the class group, we say this is main group, we select the class, we say GSS2, we select the student's name, we have unit Ade, that is the student that occupies the class, and of course we select the term, let's say it's autumn, and then description of transaction. This is very direct. Now, the tuition fee of the students, this is the tuition fee of the students. Let's say everything has been imputed already, like the parents made a full payment, and if it wasn't a full payment that was made, all you simply need to do is highlight the amount that has been paid and say instead of the initial amount of 100,000 naira, the parents paid 70,000 naira, so you can say 70,000. And for transportation, the parents paid only 10,000 naira, you impute 10,000 naira. And for books, you can say the parents paid 1,500. For uniform, let's say the parents paid 1,000 naira. And for feeding, let's say the parents paid 700 naira. This simply means the parent has paid a total amount of 83,200. Now, it is automatically generated. As you input the payment, it automatically calculates it for you and sums it up to the total that you can see right here in the total amounts to be paid. And also, that is very direct. So, the total amount that is expected to be paid by the parents is 185,000, but the parents paid just 83,000. Well, this is why it's important to know how to add important message in your receipt or your invoice. Now, if you've not seen the video on how to add important message on the receipt or invoice of payment, click on the link above and you find yourself in the video that takes you through the journey entirely. So all you need to do is simply click on save. When you click on save, it says transaction successful. Do you want to download the receipt? Now, this receipt is more like a payment receipt that you get when you purchase something. Now, this receipt is going to be automatically generated for the parents. You select yes, and in less than 1 second your receipt is generated, and this is the receipt here, very much available. And we can also preview the receipt by easily opening the receipt, and what you're going to be met with is this is receipt that has been imputed for you, and the important message says that balance your child's fees as soon as possible. Thank you. The same one. Alrighty then, so did you enjoy this video? Click on the subscribe button, ensure you like this video, and of course we'll see you again.